In 1763, the French and Indian War came to a close. Then George Grenville sought to remove Britain from debt. Since the
Will Eatborn, you got it all wrong! Will Eatborn, you gotta teach it through song!
After the 7 Years' War, Britain became so poor. They blamed us for their debt. To tax us they were set. A gallon, 3 penny, that's far too many. The Currency Act did crash. The colonists couldn't print cash. We have had enough. We won't buy foreign stuff. Well, you'll have to pay income soldiers stay. You had to buy a stamp to be read, or for the news to be read. Tax collectors stay away. We don't have to pay. Hooray, hooray. Thanks again, we say. This plan we had to draw, but still know that we're on top. New taxes will set, call it axe, cow, shed. On paying last and tea, we need our liberty.